Hey y'all, welcome back to Chico Network. Side note real quick, I know we just started the video, but I think today I'm about to go to the mall and get me a couple more hats. I've been wearing the same hats for the longest. This is actually my work hat. Shout out to Jen. Thanks for this. She got this for my birthday, I think. Anyways, but I know I just dropped a video, so if you haven't seen it yet, it's the Toy Story 4 reaction. Go back and, or even after this video, go watch that for me. Give me a thumbs up. I think I asked for suggestions, so comment below to that one too. Yesterday, I love this shit. Yesterday we had our first car show. It was in Michigan. I know I'm living in Ohio, so I drove up to my friend's house so we could go to that. I'm gonna drop a few videos after this. I meant to do the intro when I was there. Well, I got too excited and I started looking at all the cars and I forgot to make an intro video. So this is my intro video now. Throughout the day, there was all types of... I was actually surprised to see so many people there. We usually, like I said in a previous video, we usually have this thing called Dream Cruise. Everybody come out. Well, this particular parking lot usually gets full like at the late at night after the Dream Cruise is almost over or over whatever, and we just pile up in there and we have a good time, go look at cars and whatnot. Well, there's no Dream Cruise. Dream Cruise isn't till June or maybe August. Sorry, I think it's actually August. Well, it was packed like it was Dream Cruise. There was a lot of people there. But shortly after I got ready to leave, police came and stopped everything. So I have all videos of that. So why don't you check out these next videos and let me know how you like it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that. And yeah. Alright, so I'm out here with my nigga Steven. What's good, Steve? What's good? So we had our first car meet of the year. Look at that.
huge discount on it. I haven't finished.
Alright y'all, so since I'm uploading so early, like I said, I usually do like 2 videos a week, where I have been doing 2 videos a week. I decided to go ahead and vlog this, so I'm about to go pick up my boy Sean, and we finna head to the mall. I'm about to go get me some new hats or whatever, probably go pick up some new joggers, so once I get to his house, I'll cut the camera back on, but
that's when all that shit.
What's going on, y'all? We at the mall about to go get some shit. Go ahead.
Is this nigga about to get some shit?
With my nigga Sean. What's good? That way. About to go cop probably a couple new hats or something like that. But we got Paul Blurt. We got Paul Blurt. It's just me.
I know, but still.
All right, I'll turn it off. I got you. Nope. He said we need to turn this shit off.
Well, so he calling the boys.
You're right. He about to be following us this whole time. I'll turn it off for now though. So as soon as we walked in this motherfucker, they told us to stop filming. Nope. There we go. And Forever 21 about to pick out some joggers or some shit. Maybe. I think I want Nike joggers for real, for real. I know, everything looked cheap. I need some more NASA gear for real, for real. My mom bought me this NASA shirt, and it was cold. Like, it was just comfortable in general. Like, look at that off-brand ass shit. Like, that shit's off-brand as fuck. Boy. If I ever seen somebody wearing this shit right here, I'm cooking.
They used to have some NASA stuff.
I know they had it over. They got it over here.
It was like a long sleeve. I should have copped it too, but I didn't.
Was you here when I picked up them yellow joggers? Oh, I said I wanted this, John. This looked like some pajamas though. Got like the patches and shit. Yeah. Look comfortable though. I ain't even gonna hold you. Nah, oop, oop. Dropping shit. Let's get out of here. I ain't got shit.
All the jeans from here. Because like at the time I couldn't find any stressed jeans.
What's going on? Ooh, them polo shorts go hard. These bitches is wet. They ain't have nothing that lids for real, but I did see one hat that I like. I'll probably go back to get that though. Look at these polo joints. I might have to cop these too. $40. That might have to be a cop.
That's not bad for them at all either. Because at the store, them probably run like
Yeah. Right.
I didn't like 60.
Got the black and white boys too. And the green. Them go hard. They trying to copyright me. Oh, this music. I'm just gonna have to put some music over it. These old school boys. These go hard. You know, when I first seen this, my friend had it, and I was like, "Where'd you get that?" I thought it was so hard, but I don't know if I can fuck with it no more. These bitches go. Ooh. These go hard though. You like these? They like the old school boys.
They remind me of like that new starter shit they trying to bring
Dude,
back, the jumpsuits.
no, them starter shits be going hard though.
You got like a throwback. What is it? Starters one?
Yeah. That has to be too much. But this guest tee go hard though. I could rock that. Nah, I got a YouTube channel. Yeah. She don't want to be on it. I don't. See, I can't rock none of these.
I got a cold one. It's like blue jean with the fur inside of it.
Yeah. I can't rock those for some reason. I like them, but that's not me. You said what? No, I don't get paid yet. I'm working on it. I just started probably like a month ago.
Oh, you gotta get in a relationship with the friendship like this. Queen.
Yeah, I'm getting better. Yeah, my last videos, it's Chico Network. Chico Network.
No, because I just checked in on Raven shit and I didn't know her shit was funny.
CHICO Network. No,
All together?
yeah. You know what? Might as well do a space. It might come out like that.
I don't know if I'm ready.
There you go. Yep.
Check it out, bro.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I just dropped 2 videos last week, so those are my good ones. My first 2 was just like starter ones, so appreciate it. Oh yeah, I just got this boy. I can't fuck.
I want these like all white ones.
No. Nope. I can't do it. I might pick up them polo joints in the front though. I didn't even know they had the red. I keep passing these up though. Alright. I hope. Yeah, those go hard. I hope these match my one joggers I got. Do you remember them yellow joggers that I was wearing, the NASA boys?
No, remember, I don't think I ever saw them.
I didn't just wear. Damn. How much is this? 28. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. And then I'm gonna still go back and get that one. I like the Indian boy. I had to pick up these polo joints though for $40.
Yeah, man, I'm about to start doing that, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm doing my first video after the fight. Get back, like, yeah.
I know some people actually like record like basketball games and they like post it, and then once they start getting so many followers, then they switch it to their own YouTube, just to get like subscribers. Yeah, but I appreciate it. Thank y'all. That's a cop. Jimmy Jazz. People got me right. What other stores they got up in here?
What's the other one like this? City Man. You know there?
City what?
City Man. It's like the same thing.
They got it in here?
I think so.
Nah.
It's like towards some other shoe store over there. I think it's like that one.
Let's hit it then. I don't know what you're talking about.
But they should be more expensive than like Jimmy Joe's.
Yeah. Is he speaking something good?
No, he's speaking that way.
She said she wanted to be on a vlog.
Oh,
She on the train talking about I want to be on the vlog. I'm dead.
This one coming.
Oh yeah.
They got like.
They be taxing. But I do like some of their stuff. Like their sweaters go hard. What's good? I forever be wanting me them Future pants. Jordan Craig. No, we just looking. Store is nice though. We got all types of shit. Everybody be liking this Kappa stuff. I'm not a big fan, to be honest with you. Like this. I don't like these. Like it's ugly to me. Like the logo is whack and everything. Yeah, I'm not. It just looked like JC Penney brand or something like that. Oh, this boy clean. It don't look like it's my size though. Medium. Oh, see, it'll be clean. Then you turn it on the back and it's just like, I don't know. This will go hard with my ones. I think it's dark enough.
It's about right.
$40 from the coast. Not today. Not today.
They got that Rough Rider type shit.
What? They got them biker boy joints. That's clean though. I can fucks with that. Got like ninja attire. Oh, these are soft. I did say I was gonna give me some joggers. I might have to cop these boys. Even the black and whites are clean. Oh, is that red? Black and red.
Oh yeah.
Is it soft like these?
No.
I'm actually tired of wearing pants. You need them white?
Nah, I said it's like some like light denim.
Oh, yeah.
I got too many of those. I want like an all pair, just a straight all black. But like I need some holes in it.
Yeah.
Like I think you got a pair of them.
Mm-hmm.
I want something like that.
You gotta go to PacSun. Them
PacSun
boys go hard. Yeah.
See, the PacSun ain't fucking with me though.
Why? Oh, skinny as fuck. They do though. That's the thing. Like
the joggers, I got joggers from there, but I ain't never got jeans from there because I don't ever have my socks.
Yeah.
But like that was like before I lost all that weight, so I might be able to.
Yeah. PacSun. But these, like, I got these from PacSun, and these are stretchy.
For real?
Like they stretchy as
That's what I
fuck.
mean.
Like
That's all the jeans I got is foot.
they comfortable. I could pop, lock, and drop it with these boys, and they won't rip or nothing.
I wouldn't know. They was like, you know, you ain't got no business being up in your store.
PacSun, they didn't even help you or nothing, huh?
No. I told them I was like, I already knew what it was. I was like, bro, what y'all got? They was like, sir, we stop at 34. I was like,
34.
Nigga, what do I look like?
They told you can't even cop none in here.
Really?
Oh, that go hard.
This is what I was talking about when the bags were all about the cop.
Yeah. They've been going hard with all these purple joints. Look at that.
If you're only going to show me one look as a team, we will figure you out. And North Carolina can figure out you have several looks. Washington needs to adjust. Maybe switch it up, go to man-to-man or some type of a press, because North Carolina, once they get comfortable with what you're doing, they're going to eat you alive. It just looks like North Carolina is in control. Delivered the Buick expectation-shattering performance of the day. You can tune in to Inside March Madness. Visit on Buick to find out.
Let's see.
We've had some performances today. We saw Tennessee and Iowa go to overtime in our first
They don't
game
got
here in
nothing.
Columbus. Tennessee never trailed, won the
Every
game
time I
on
come in here, they always like
has never trailed.
empty.
Washington missing the last 5 attempts.
Yeah, that boy is clean.
6 free throws.
I just don't want to get white.
Where's the offense come from for the Huskies?
Like I like this, but I want it in like the
Jamal Bay runs it.
I want it in like the dad hat version.
David Crisp with the foul.
Everybody.
And let's send it over to Allen and Force. What do you have?
I don't even got my bag,
I'm
bro. I'm
listening to
sick.
Coach Hopkins, and he thinks they're doing a bigger job.
That way.
defensively on offense. He said we have to attack the closeouts. We're just holding the ball. He said we can get this back. We need to execute.
Yeah, see.
This is a guy
Oh,
that
you know what?
still confident in
PacSun,
the
I
rest
think,
of the
got
Style
some
told me
cold
yesterday
ones.
that he'll just yell at
I even like these Levi ones. I'm surprised you ain't fuck with them.
Sanders, whatever it takes, he'll look you a 9 and say you're the greatest shooter of all time. If anyone
Those
can
two.
instill confidence in his team to make a comeback, it's this coach.
Yeah, everybody buying these up, so you're not gonna be able to find
I
none.
should have got it when I was here because they had like this regular. I think it's like a red. It was like navy blue but red.
What I love about the piece is
You're like, I'm not even trying to be in that.
when Hopkins would get into the bench
No,
in a tense situation,
you had a
get
nigga
the
changing,
whiteboard,
bro. You said you
just
got to know you
draw a
got to
smiley
increase. I
face.
was like,
Yesterday, told him you're right. You're the
I was-
key.
oh, you changed?
Practice. They said, I think you need me to spoon you here.
I had to get the hairline right, bro.
Right.
But still, that encouragement. That's the first time.
Bro, 'cause my open game's so quick, so like, I always like go like this to my size and it's kind of like knock it down. I can't knock it down all the way, bro. I don't got the body speed.
Oh yeah. I thought you meant like you wanted to go get it cut. Like what are these? What are these? I can't go. I can't go. Like trash. Trash. Yeah, we good. Thank you. Trash. Trash. Everything that we just passed was trash.
So impressed though by the fight of Washington. But you're gonna be impressed with a little bit
too.
longer because you only have about 2 more minutes to get back in this game.
Actually, you know what?
15 minutes left. I understand that, but I also understand the game and the rhythm of the game. And then
Should I even cop some joggers since it's getting so close to being warm out?
I mean, they ain't never gonna go down, so I mean, respectfully, it's like,
Somebody right now
Yeah.
on Washington's side has to take it upon themselves to get a big bucket. 5-0.
yeah,
I'll probably, if I get some, I'll probably
Another 3.
check out where we go to first. I'll probably check out whatchamacallit first. Yeah, PacSun got some sweet shit, but like they shirts be way too cheap looking. Oh, that's where old girl got fucked up at, huh?
not that one. It's like falling timbers.
Oh, them go hard, them shorts.
She got banned from all dealers.
All?
You know,
So her face is on everything?
Blacklist.
That's tough.
They got her mugshot picture, everything.
Mugshot, was it ugly?
Probably.
You didn't see it?
No, I wasn't up there.
You always gotta look for the mugshot pictures. Like she couldn't send you that, boy?
No, it's something they got.
Help me out here. Pick Gary back from me. I got stuck.
No, it's something that they got. It's not even like a police issue.
I need me some swim trunks, but I don't think that's that. I don't think that's it. These are clean.
I lost one, bro. I'm not even nut. I'm like mad at them. I'm either lost it or somebody stole it.
Yeah. I need to end this. Let me see how much these boys use. Yeah, they the same as the other place. I said I wanted some joggers, but do I really want some joggers? You know, when you see that price tag, you be like, I don't know if I really want them. I should copy these gray boys. I don't like these. Or should I get the black ones? The gray ones? That's $100 though.
I mean, the black ones are slick, but the gray ones is...
When YouTube give me my first check, I might cop them. Alright, let's get this right. So I had a successful day of shopping. How about you?
I got my rollies fixed.
I didn't want to rollie with it. No, I picked up a couple hats and what else I get? A shirt? Oh, some shorts. So about to go home and try this shit on, see how I like it. I'm just gonna add this to my vlog from yesterday. So
You going over that?
oh shit, yeah, we do got one more store to go to. Oh shit, we got Paul Blart. He told me I couldn't film inside, so I had to be real low key about it.
He said he's gonna hit us with the flashlight.
Right. Got Pablo Escobar.
Shit.